Earlier today, we looked at HP's entry-level color laser printer, the 2600 for small offices. Well, now I want to show you a few of the options for larger offices, if you've got bigger needs. Now, I've got three more lasers here. Now, perhaps having all three on my desk at the same time is a bit of overkill, but each of these printers have their own place, and by showing them together, I can also show you some of the great management tools that HP provides its users. So let me set the stage. These are all small business solutions, meaning they aren't going to break the bank. Each of the printers on this desk in front of me costs less than $1,000, so it fits the small business profile. We have the Color LaserJet 3800, and then we've got two all-in-ones, the 3055 monochrome all-in-one and the Color LaserJet 2840 all-in-one. But let's start with the Color LaserJet 3800. Now, if you've got higher volume printing needs, an office where 5 to maybe 15 people all share a printer, then consider what the Color LaserJet 3800 has to offer, and it is quite a package. 22 pages per minute color printing with an optional 850 sheet paper tray, automatic two-sided printing, an embedded HP JetDirect fast Ethernet print server. The 3800 is designed for offices that want hassle-free color laser printing for larger groups of people. Its built-in HP Smart Printing technology means your first copy looks as good as your last one, even if you're printing out dozens or perhaps hundreds of copies. There are built-in management tools, meaning you can assign who has access to color printing and track who uses it. But more on that in a minute. For simple, basic color laser prints in a small office, it's tough to beat the Color LaserJet 3800. Now, in some cases, color is not such a big issue, say medical offices and dental offices. But other features are important. Features like copying, scanning, perhaps faxing is paramount. Well, if you need a great fax machine and a reliable, dependable printer, then you're going to want to take a look at the Color LaserJet 3055 all-in-one. I think you're going to like what you see. It is a black and white laser multifunction device, and it makes your working world just a little bit better. It's got a beautiful compact design. Packs copier, fax, scanner, and printer all in one place. The top, a 50-sheet document feeder. There's a flatbed scanner for irregularly shaped objects like books or stapled documents. The controls, easy to use, easy to access. It's also very fast, especially the first page coming out. An instant on feature gets you your first page in about 8 seconds, so you're not waiting around. It's also designed for every environment, Windows, Mac, and Linux. On the back side, there's an Ethernet and USB 2 connection, so you can hook it up to a network or a single computer. The LaserJet 3055 is a no-nonsense, all-in-one product. It does exactly what you need, effectively and efficiently. Faxing, scanning, printing, copying, it's the perfect all-in-one for the small office. Now, if you really like the 3055, but you need color, don't despair, because in that case, the Color LaserJet 2840 was designed for you. It is an absolute workhorse. This all-in-one is a color laser printer, a color fax, a color copier with a 50-sheet document feeder. All the controls right here, easy to use and intuitive. It has a 1200 DPI optical scanner for both scanning and copying. Now, the Color LaserJet 2840 will print and copy up to 20 pages per minute in black and white and 4 pages per minute in color. It's also easy to service because all of the print cartridges right up front, easy to access. This puppy even has built-in memory card slots. Now, I called this a workhorse because it is. You can network all of your computers to it, so you're going to have one machine that copies for the entire office. It scans in color. It prints at laser quality in both black and white and color. For most small offices, this is the single device that everyone will use. Now, this is an impressive lineup of devices. They have the benefit of making your small office look big because people recognize laser printing as a true sign of quality. You end up putting your best foot forward. But there is one other benefit that I need to show you, the big-time management tools that the small office can use. Now, if you're managing multiple printers in a network, or if you've got multiple printers in your business, or even if you've got a single higher volume printer, then you need tools to manage them. A well-managed printing network saves your business both time and money. And speaking of well-managed, HP has several solutions that fit almost any scenario. Easy Printer Care for smaller office environments and WebJet Admin for larger companies are easy to use, powerful, and convenient. Now, both of these applications provide us with a consolidated view of all of our printers in one place. They provide us with the tools to reduce support costs and maximize productivity, as well as monitor our supply levels, configure our printers remotely, including printers in other buildings, troubleshoot problems, and also manage access and accounts. And best of all, HP provides these tools for free with your HP printer or on their website. So let me show you with Easy Printer Care, starting with it. Now this is a simple to use little application that basically gives us the status of all the printers on our network, and we can manage them from this interface. You just click on it and a two-way conversation happens between the device and the software, telling us things like how much toner we have left in the cartridges. If we start to run out, we go into supply ordering, and it comes up with a little box that tells us exactly how many pages we have remaining, and then it even gives us the part number so that we can order the correct part, and allows us to do that online if we need. So we have total control over making sure that our device is up and running all the time. Now this is great for small offices. In larger offices, WebJet Admin provides the same services but more. It'll allow you to manage both local and remote offices. You can still monitor your supply levels, but now you can also set user permissions and upgrade all of your printers from a single location. It's a corporate solution for managing an entire fleet of HP devices. If we take a look at WebJet Admin, we see here we have our network printers, and then over here we've got all sorts of different device management options. And then we've got all sorts of drop-down menus that allow us to maintain and manage our different printers and multifunction devices, even to the point of actually opening up a single device and maybe updating the printer drivers on any one individual device, even if that's in a remote office. Now, because you're in a small office doesn't mean that the benefits and tools available to larger operations are out of your reach. Just as a laser printer makes any business looks better by providing that extra level of quality and attention to detail, the HP Printer Care tools give your business big-time management tools that'll help keep you running efficiently.